Region 13 or Caraga region is located at the northern east of Mindanao. According to United Tourist Promotion in 2011, the word Caraga came from Visayan word Kalag, means soul or people, and An means land. So Caraga means land of soulful people or land of the brave and fierce people. Caraga region consists of 5 provinces. First is Agusan del Norte and the provincial capital is Cabadbaran City. Second is Agusan del Sur and the provincial capital is Prosperida City. Third is Surigao del Norte and the provincial capital is San Jose. Fourth is Surigao del Sur and the provincial capital is Surigao City. And the last province is Dinagat Island and the provincial capital is Dandag City. And for the regional center for Region 13 or Caraga region is Butuan City.
Butuan Bay. It is the largest river in the country and served as a highway from the Spanish colonizers in gaining access to the inner northeastern Mindanao. It is the third largest river in the country. The third is Pansukian, is located in General Luna, Siargao Island in Surigao. It is aesthetically found between a marine sanctuary lagoon with pristine sand beach facing the Pacific Ocean and mangrove surrounded by hills. The resort has the charm of an exceptionally exotic, friendly, and peaceful environment. Tinoyan Falls is a multi-tiered waterfall in Bislig, Surigao del Sur, in the southern island of Mindanao, Philippines. Bislig is a city known as the booming city by the bay. The waterfall itself has been featured in the various international travel magazine and TV shows. The Tinoyan Falls are 95 wide and 55 meters, 180 feet high, suited as the Little Niagara Falls of the Philippines. Tinoyan is a whitewater curtain that flows in 3 levels with a 4th tower hidden from view and is said to be the widest waterfall in the Philippines. Every morning, the area shows a rainbow between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. One may also ride a raft to get close its cascades and get a water massage. And the last is the dwarf forest, also known as the bonsai or pygmy forest on Dinagat Island. Philippines is a unique ecosystem characterized by stunted trees, particularly on the Mount Redondo. The forest is renowned for its biodiversity, including endemic plant and animal species. The stunted growth of the trees is attributed to the island ultramafic soil, which is rich in minerals like iron and other environmental factors.
The region is under the tropical climate classification, especially the Type 2 climate as defined by the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services. Caraga experienced 2 main seasons, the dry season and the rainy season.
Ang Region 12 ay tirahan ng iba't ibang indigenous people tulad ng Teboli, Bilaan, Manubo at Maguindanao. Ang kanilang mga sining kasuotan, sayaw at musika at wika. Meron din silang Tinalak Festival, isa sa pinakatanyag na cultural event sa rehiyon ay ang Tinalak Festival ng South Cotabato. Tinatampok din dito ang habing tinalak, isang telang gawa ng mga babaeng Teboli na nagpapakita ng kanilang panaginip at kultura. Meron din silang iba't ibang relihiyon at tradisyon sa Region 12. Mapapansin ang pagsasama-sama ng Islamic tradisyon ng mga Muslim, lalo na sa Cotabato at Sultan Kudarat, at ang kulturang Kristiyano, dala ng mga migrants mula Luzon at Visayas, kaya makulay at diverse ang kultura ng rehiyon.
Higaonon Festival. This festival celebrates the culture and tradition of Higaonon people. It includes colorful dances, music, and traditional food. It showed their love for the nature and the community. Nilayag Festival. Nilayag Festival is a festival that honors the rich culture of indigenous people in Agusan del Sur. There are street dances, parades, and local craft displayed. It's a time for people to come together and celebrate their heritage. Lumad Festival. Lumad Festival showcases the tradition of Lumad tribes. It features beautiful dances, music, and art. The festival highlights the importance of preserving their cultures and tradition. Camayo Festival. Camayo Festival celebrates the local culture of Surigao del Sur. It includes exciting street dances, food fairs, and cultural exhibits. This festival brings people together to enjoy and share their custom. Bugkusan Festival. Bugkusan is a festival that celebrates the unity of people of Dinagat Island. It features traditional dances, colorful costume, and variety of local foods. It emphasizes the community spirit and togetherness.
Economy and major industry in Caraga region. The Caraga region in the Philippines has a diverse economy, although it's still developing and faces challenges. While it's transitioning, its economic activities are largely driven by a mix agriculture, mining, and services. First, we have Agusan del Norte. They have rice, corn, and coconuts. Second is Agusan del Sur. They have rice and possibly some rice milling. And Surigao del Norte have fishing, abaca, or fiber. Next is Surigao del Sur. They have fishing and abaca also. Lastly, Dinagat Islands is similar to nearby provinces but smaller scale. Famous cuisine in Caraga region. First, we have tinolang isda from Agusan del Norte. It is a common Caraga dishes. And next is Agusan del Sur. We have binaga, which is inihaw na mudfish. Next is Surigao del Norte is kinilaw or yung hilaw na isda na nilagyan ng suka and other seasonings. And in Surigao del Sur, we have sayungsong. It's a glutinous rice na binalot sa dahon ng banana. And lastly, we have kutsinta from Dinagat Islands.